Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a aux cable connect to the RCA, so you can connect like iPhones, iPods, whatever, to a home radio. As y'all can see, it's really simple. What I did, I just grabbed any RCAs and I just grabbed a random plug that fits onto the phone. As you can see, it's playing. I'll show you. See, it stops it. It works great. Now you can use anything. This, I found it just in a box. It was connected to some lights. I don't know what it was for, but it works. So don't let people tell you that you got to use certain type of wires, which is false. So all I did was just strip them back, and the wires that are not inside the other little ones, when you strip them back, they're just loose. Sorry, I had a burp, but they're just loose. So what I did is I just tied those together, and then the ones that were inside, I stripped those and tied those together. You can see I did it real quick so I can just show y'all, but what y'all can see is either way it doesn't matter. You can see one's red and it's backwards. Still sounds good though. But yeah, guys, if y'all have any more questions, just ask me.
Can't trust nobody. Everybody fake. They say they got your back. They'll shoot you in your face. Motherfuckers in these streets acting like thug niggas. You pull they pussy call.
Thanks for watching.